Oh, now he's doing this.
You want one of those? Where are you going to park it? Right here.
Well, I have to get rid of one car. We can put it in the garage.
Will it go in? No, it's not low enough. No.
Finally, he's here.
You might have to take off the roof.
Huh?
I said you might have to take off the roof.
Look, that's what we need. He's killing our little design.
I know.
He's like, where in the world do you guys go? Okay, Donnie's taking over. Good. Oh, 3.5 days, 4 days. I have these things. He probably likes these energy drinks. Above ist hier. Hörst du es nicht piepen? Energy. And, oh, there's a fire hydrant over there. Johnny, there's a fire hydrant over there.
Oh yeah, I'll tell him. What can burn? What are you doing? Need a little energy?
Here, this for him.
Okay. Is that where the road stops back down there?
Yeah. This is fire energy.
Thank you so much. Watch fingers.
Yeah, the road in.
Thank you so much.
Fire hydrant. I never tasted it, but I had my house for like a year ago.
It's a beetroot.
Huh?
Beetroot. Yeah, it's a beetroot.
Good for them. I don't do this.
You know the owner of the factory, he's billionaire now. Just for this one. He owns now $4 billion because of this one.
Because it's little, it's fast. I don't
It's full of the big one by the